Hey there. I just want to say thank you for visiting the channel. We know that it's young, but we have so much value that we have to offer. My name is Joseph Burke. I'm the owner of 3 businesses now, all service-based businesses. And the reason I've created this channel is because I love to serve and I love to teach people what I've learned in the last 3 to 4 years and how I've gone from flipping burgers at McDonald's to being my own business owner to being able to provide for my family, put food on the table, and reach the goals that I've had for myself. And so if this is something you're interested in, we'd love to keep serving you with these videos of free content, but we'd also really like to have you in our Service Biz Go community. And if you go down in the description below, you'll see a link to our school community. And there it's 100% free. We have a masterclass where it shows you about starting and scaling your business, from marketing to sales to content creation and so much more. We have weekly webinars on there. We have guest speakers, and it's just such a great community where if you're struggling or you just need a pick-me-up, you need a word of encouragement, you need testimonials from other business owners who are in the same place as you, that's the community for you. And so click the link below. We'd love to have you. And so to finish off, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. We look forward to putting out more free content for you so that you can grow in your dreams and your goals and continue to serve. So we'll see you next week.